In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log your work using the Benz Lewis Arlos Atlassian.net platform. This is a straightforward process that will help you keep track of the time you spend on various tasks in your project, ensuring better project management and efficiency. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your project on Jira. Open your web browser and head over to the website. You'll easily find your project by clicking on the appropriate link. Once you're in the project view, you'll be greeted by an overview of the different tasks and issues that your team is working on. This comprehensive view is essential for keeping track of your progress. Next, identify the card that represents the task you want to log work for. Clicking on this card will open more details about the specific task or issue. This section may include important information such as the due date, the team member assigned to the task, and any existing comments or attachments. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this information can provide a better context for logging your work, ensuring that you're fully aligned with the task's requirements and expectations. Now, with the task details open, look for the work log section. Clicking on work log will either expand or take you to a view where you can see any past logged work entries for this task. It's a good practice to review these entries as they can offer insights into how much time has already been logged and by whom. Understanding this history can be critical in assessing the current state of the task timeline and the effort required moving forward. Once you've reviewed the existing work logs, proceed by selecting Log Work. This action will open a field where you can input new information about the time you've spent on this task. The importance of this entry cannot be overstated, as it's vital for tracking effort and productivity, not just for yourself, but for your team as a whole. Accurate work logs can influence project outcomes and decisions. In this next step, click on Time Spent. This field is where you'll enter the duration of the work completed. It's essential to have an accurate record of how much time you've dedicated to this task before you proceed. While it's okay to estimate, aim to be as precise as possible. Accurate logging allows for better planning and time allocation in future sprints or projects, contributing to overall project success. After you've entered the time spent, type in the number of hours or minutes you've worked. You can usually enter this information in a format like 2H, 30M, or 3 hours, depending on the platform's requirements. It's important to double-check your entry before proceeding, as any errors can affect the overall tracking process and the data that your team relies on. Finally, after ensuring all the information you've entered is accurate, you'll hit Save. This action will finalize your work log entry and update the